Do you understand English but freeze when you need to speak? Do you have thoughts in your head, but nothing comes out of your mouth? That's not a grammar problem, it's a confidence problem. And today we're going to fix it, step by step, slowly, clearly, together. Welcome to Slow English Lab, the channel that helps you build confidence and fluency with shadowing, rhythm, and real English. No pressure, no stress. In this episode, you will train your voice with shadowing, build confidence in real situations, use body language and emotion to speak like a native, practice phrases for daily English fluency. If you're a beginner, A1, A2, who wants to speak naturally, not like a robot, hit subscribe, and let's build your English voice together. Tip 1. Shadow one sentence at a time. Confidence starts with control, not speed. Many learners try to speak fast too soon and feel embarrassed when they can't keep up. But the truth is, even native speakers speak slowly when they're emotional, thoughtful, or connecting with someone. So let's slow down. Take one short sentence, something you would say in real life. I'm happy to be here. Listen to it slowly. Then shadow it out loud. First, repeat with a smile, then with surprise, then with calm. Try it 5 times. Focus on rhythm, not perfection. One sentence repeated with confidence is more powerful than 50 words you can't say under pressure. Make it a habit. 1 sentence, 5 emotions, 1 powerful voice. Build it brick by brick. This is how your confident voice begins. Tip 2. Use a mirror when you practice. Your mouth is your instrument. If you don't see it, you won't shape it correctly. Practicing in front of a mirror trains both muscle memory and mindset. Most learners avoid it, but if you want real progress, don't skip this. Look in the mirror. Say, "How are you today?" "I feel great." Now repeat each phrase 5 times. Watch your lips, your jaw, your smile. Do you look stiff, nervous? Fix it. Smile. Breathe. Speak slowly. Show emotion. Practicing in front of a mirror makes you aware of your voice and body language. That awareness builds confidence. Bonus tip: record yourself in front of the mirror once a week. You'll see real progress and feel proud. Confidence is visible before it's audible. Tip 3. Shadow in chunks, not words. Words are not spoken one by one in real life. We speak in chunks, smooth groups of words. When you practice like this, your English sounds more natural, and your confidence grows. Compare these. I want, now, robotic and slow. I want to go now. Try shadowing these chunks. What's going on? Let me think about it. I'll get back to you. Repeat each chunk 5 to 10 times. Listen for rhythm and stress. Don't worry about grammar, worry about flow. Confidence comes from muscle memory. If you shadow in natural chunks every day, soon you won't need to think, you'll just speak. Tip 4. Record yourself, then listen. If you want to improve your speaking, you must hear yourself. This is where real transformation begins. Recording your voice gives you feedback that no textbook can offer. Start with 1 sentence. It's a beautiful day. Record yourself shadowing it. Then listen. Is your pronunciation clear? Is your tone too flat? Is your speed natural? Now try again. Adjust your voice. Smile while speaking. Add emotion. Then listen again. Repeat this every day for 1 week. Your confidence will increase because you'll start to notice progress with your own ears. You become your best teacher when you listen to yourself with love and curiosity, not judgment. Tip 5. Shadow real conversations. Confidence doesn't come from memorizing textbook phrases. It comes from practicing real conversations with real rhythm, emotion, and natural English. That's why shadowing short, everyday dialogues is so powerful. For example, "Hey, how've you been?" "Pretty good. Just busy with work." Repeat both parts of the dialogue. Be both voices. Feel the energy. Copy the natural rise and fall of the tone. Use pauses. Now change the context. Pretend it's a phone call, a job interview, a chat with a friend. Shadow again. You're not just learning English, you're learning how to live in English. That's what builds true speaking confidence. Tip 6. Add emotion to your voice. Many learners speak English with the right words but the wrong emotion, and that's what makes their speech sound cold or unnatural. Speaking confidently means speaking with feeling. Try saying, "That's great." Say it happy. Say it sarcastic. Say it tired. Feel the difference? English is full of emotional tones. Excited, "No way, that's awesome." Confused, "Wait, what do you mean?" Neutral, "Okay, sounds good." Shadow these sentences with emotion. Feel it in your chest. Use your hands, add your personality. The more emotion you add, the more natural you sound, and the more confident you feel. Tip 7. Shadow while walking or moving. Speaking is a physical activity. If your body is tight, your speech will be too. That's why shadowing while walking or doing light activity is so effective. It helps your brain relax and your voice flow. Try this. Go for a short walk. Play a short English phrase in your earphones. Let's get started. I'll be back soon. I really appreciate it. Now shadow while moving. Use your hands. Use your eyes. Don't worry if people are watching. You're building your voice. Movement helps your brain absorb patterns. It makes your voice smoother, your memory sharper, and your confidence stronger. Tip 8. Use daily routines to practice. The best time to practice speaking is when your brain is relaxed, and that usually happens during your daily routines. So turn them into practice moments. Morning. Good morning, world. Let's get ready. Eating. I'm having rice and chicken. This tastes amazing. Evening. Time to rest. See you tomorrow. Say these out loud every day. Repeat. Shadow yourself. It may feel silly, but it's real English, and it makes speaking a daily natural thing. Confidence grows through consistency, not complexity. Tip 9. Repeat like a musician. Do musicians play a song once and move on? No, they repeat it again and again, slowly, until it sounds right. Your English is the same. Shadowing is your song. Choose one sentence. "I'll take care of it." Repeat it 20 times, slowly, clearly, with emotion. Now try. "That's not a big deal. Let's figure it out." Don't rush. Focus on rhythm. Shadow like a musician. The more you repeat, the more your mouth and brain connect. With each repetition, your voice becomes stronger and more confident, like a trained performer. Tip 10. Celebrate progress, not perfection. If you wait to speak English perfectly, you'll never speak. Confidence isn't about being perfect, it's about being brave. Every time you shadow, repeat, or try to speak, you are winning. Celebrate small wins. You shadowed for 10 minutes? Celebrate. You said something with emotion? Celebrate. You recorded your voice? Celebrate. Track your progress with a journal. Say, today I spoke 3 phrases confidently. Over time, you'll look back and see how far you've come. Perfection is not your goal, progress is. Confidence is built on small, consistent victories. You're already doing amazing. Keep going. Final message. You now have 10 powerful techniques to speak English with confidence. Start slow, shadow often, feel each phrase, add your personality, make mistakes, laugh, repeat. Your confident English voice is already inside you. These tips help you bring it to life. Subscribe to Slow English Lab to keep growing every week. Leave a comment. Which tip helped you most today? Speak it, shadow it, own it. Confidence is now your habit. Join our family of English learners who practice slow, smart, daily English.